Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I have a lot of updates to get into, so I figured I'd just do it while I'm driving, like we're on FaceTime. I'm going to Target. I know I'm not supposed to. It's like the big don't shop at Target thing, and I'm in full support, because I will tell you that as someone who is chronically spending all of her paycheck at Target, that's not true, that's an exaggeration, but I would spend a lot of money at Target. I would go there 5 times a week. I have been once in the last 4 months. So give me some grace. I don't want to hear the comments of we're boycotting, you're not supposed to stop there. Oh, there's a turtle in the road. I was leaving my neighborhood and there's just a giant turtle in the street, and I was like, oh my god, that turtle's gonna get hit by a car. So then I called my dad, because I was like, I don't really want to touch a turtle. I like animals, I do, but it's in the wild. I don't want to touch it, you know what I mean? So I call him, and then I get out of my car to look at the turtle, and it's a snapping turtle. And I was like, uh-oh. Those who know, they bite you. So then we're trying to figure out how to save the snapping turtle, because just because they are a more violent creature does not mean that they aren't worth saving. So then, I'll insert the video. Also, when that thing walks, tell me why it's like a fucking Demogorgon from Stranger Things. It rose up off it was creepy. I did not enjoy that. So yeah, that would just happened. But anyway, back to the story. Alright. So, I quit my job at Starbucks. And now I work at Mellow Mushroom. I don't start yet. I still have 1 week left at Starbucks, but I start on Mellow Mushroom at the 12th, and I go in on Wednesday to get onboarded and stuff like that. But that's really exciting for me. And then I have the Kendrick and SZA concert tomorrow. And I was originally stressing about the concert, because I was like, oh my god, I quit my job. I have no other job lined up, because it was just I'm quitting. And I had a deadline. I was like, I need to quit by this day. So I was I don't want to spend money. I'm trying to save as much as possible. But now that I have another job lined up, I'm not super worried about it. But I'm gonna go to get some earrings, because I really want big silver hoops, and I don't have anything like that. I have small I have small gold ones, but I feel silver's the vibe, because my shirt is silver, and so it matches, and I don't want to wear the gold ones I have. Does that make sense? The lighting is so bad, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm so excited. We're going all the way to Philly. So we have a big old road trip. I can't talk. Oh my god, we're gonna have a road trip. We're driving all the way to Philly, and I'm so excited. And my best friends are going with me, and it's just gonna be so much fun. I did just go to a concert on Thursday. That was also a lot of fun. But this one is this one to me, each year I go to 5 to 10 concerts, but each year there's one that is the most expensive. It's the biggest one that I'm going to. First year was Ed Sheeran, obviously. Second year was Green Day, and then this year's Kendrick and SZA. So it's happening. I have to get home and pack and do my nails, because that took so much time. I would be back from Target right now if that turtle wasn't in the road. So now I have I'm gonna be up a little later, which is fine. The sun is still up. I am so I've been out since 4 a.m. because I had to open today at work. I'm not gonna miss that, because I think Mellow Mushroom opens at 11, so I could sleep like a normal person and get up at 7 or 8 a.m. But I got up at 4 a.m. and then I got home from work at 10 something, and I ate and breakfast, and I took a nap, and I just couldn't get myself out of that bed. And then I did, and I went skateboarding, and I came back and I showered and did my everything shower, which is why I look so good right now. And then I was I need to get earrings, so I ate dinner, and now I'm going to get the earrings. And it's 7 p.m. but in my head I'm I have been up for too long, and I should be in bed, and I don't want to do my nails and everything. But I'm like, that's like, it's nothing. It's fine. Yeah, I want my outfit to be so good, and I already, like, this is the first concert that I've, like, bought things specifically for the, no, maybe that's not true. I bought things being like, oh, I found, like, this will be cute, but, like, the top and the shorts that I bought, like, I'm picking out an outfit for this concert. Like, it's so high-tech. I was in there for an embarrassingly long amount of time, but it's because I found the earrings I got. They're super cute, and they were 30% off, so yay me. But then I was walking through, like, the Ulta in Target, and they had this Billie Eilish travel set, like, perfume of, like, volume 1 and volume 2, and I love volume 1. It is my favorite perfume of all time. Every time I wear it, everyone's like, you smell so good. And I bought it back when I had a really strong sense of smell like a normal person, and I would wear it all the time, and, like, people loved it, and I loved it. Like, then I lost my sense of smell, but, like, I knew that perfume is, like, I love it, but I don't think I ever really smelled the second one, I mean. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy it. But then I ended up getting this ColourPop eyeshadow because I want to do, like, a smoky eye with, like, sparkles, and then, like, have, like, the silver earrings and, like, the whole outfit's, like, very black and, like, silver. So I wanted this. So I got that. Now let's go home and do my nails. I'm gonna do chrome. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. All right, I'm doing a chrome nail. I'm very excited. I haven't done gel on my fingers in a really long time because I can't have them for work. I don't really know if I can as a waitress. It might be, like, iffy. If I can, I'll paint my nails, but if I'm not, like, I'm so used to just not having my nails painted that, like, I'll just do it for special occasions like this because I'm literally gonna take them off in 2 days. But it's for the vibes and the pictures. So I'm doing the chrome. I haven't done any of this in so long. I'm so excited. Gross. Nail dust everywhere. I used to do nails. Like, that was how I spent my time. Why is that on so high? Jeez, what were you doing? My mom has been using this to help with my dad's having nails. But, like, they would have that drill up so high. Guys, it's like 10 p.m. and I still haven't packed, but nails are done. They don't look great in this lighting, but they look really cool another time. They're super sparkly and silver, and I love them. But I need to pack. Let me get my duffel bag out and we'll start the process. Okay, so I need to pack my concert outfit, pajamas, and an outfit to wear home. I could just wear the outfit I wear there home, but, like, if something happens and I spill on myself, like, I don't want to have to wear that again. You know what I mean? So I just need pajamas. I'll start with pajamas because I'm, like, gonna sleep in this tonight. But I'll just take my Hollister pajama pants and a shirt. Actually, I don't need a shirt. I'll sleep in probably my merch. I do that normally. Anyway. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm thinking. Okay, let me get my outfit out. I'm gonna need my shorts. There's, like, little tiny mini shorts. I need the top. Look how cute. Alright. The top is packed. The shoes. Shoes are, like, the heaviest part of the outfit. Oh. Okay, shoes are in there now too. So I have pajamas. I have that. Hair clips. Ignore my mess, but I'm also charging my portable charger, my digital camera, and my AirPods. Okay, so the outfit I'm gonna wear tomorrow, I probably want to bring, like, some kind of hoodie, but maybe not. I don't know. That's, like, I guess I'll just see what wow, my head was cut off. I guess I'll just see what the vibe is, like, later. But I'm gonna need my little purse. This is my clear purse for going to the venue. I'm gonna fill this up with the tech that I'm taking, but now I need to get into like jewelry and makeup and pack all that up. I need to find like my makeup bag. Honestly, I should have bought one, but I didn't, and here we are. So not gonna lie, my ass looks good in these sweatpants. I swear I had toiletries bag, but I can't find it. So I'm using my caboodle, which is fine. Like it's literally made for travel. But it just bothers me because I kind of wanted it all to fit in one bag. But I'm like, maybe I don't need the caboodle. But I don't know. Oh, this is difficult because I want my stuff to be protected. I don't want like my makeup to break or anything. Okay, so I found a toiletry bag that fits all my makeup, so it's like organized, but I don't know what to do with my skincare because I really just don't want to mess. Like I don't want anything to like break open. Oh, I didn't fit all my makeup. I forgot the eyeshadow palette, but like, will it? Will it? It won't. I'm kidding. Maybe it will. Wait. Okay. I got unreasonably excited about that. I want to take this like body mist too. Or should I take the glittery one? This one, we're taking the glittery one. This one has glitter in it, so we're taking that one. I don't want to use the caboodle. It's too bulky. I want everything to fit in the duffel bag. So that's gonna be the code. It's just more like soap and stuff. I'll put it in my little Tonight Show NBC Studio shop bag. I feel like this works and I can like package it because I have all the skincare in here. Okay, after a lot of digging around, I put my stuff in this little tote bag, but I desperately need like a travel makeup carrier. Oh my god, I'm gonna go to Italy for like 2 weeks. I don't have one. What the hell was I thinking when I didn't put one in my cart? Oh, okay, so I'm gonna look for one real quick. Okay, digital camera's charged. AirPods are still charging. Portable chargers also charged. Could it? No, it's not gonna fit in there. I'm gonna slide these in the pocket. And then I also need my AirPods, which I'm probably just gonna have in my purse. My earrings. Now, will I wear these just like out though? I might just wear these when I get up tomorrow because I don't have any in my holes right now. And then I need to pack my purse. Oh, eyeliner. I would have like crashed out. I would have crashed out. The bed is so squeaky. What else? What else? I mean, like there's certain things that I'm like, I'm gonna have to get tomorrow, like toothbrush, makeup brushes. Shit. That's what I mean. Eyeliner. Oh my god. I'm also bringing the waterproof mascara because I think there's a chance of rain. And I don't want to look like a raccoon, you know, crying. Okay, so, okay. Is everything still? Yeah, okay, pretty great. Bag's not even that full, guys. Look at me go. Alright, I got a little tiny jewelry box that has 2 compartments, so that's good. I'm just gonna put, and it also can hold like rings and stuff too. I'm thinking this like whole bunch of like, it's like a collection of necklaces from Hot Topic that are all like spidery and stuff because SZA loves bugs. But it's all tangled. Apparently my mom used to work at a jewelry store and her job was like untangling the jewelry. I would have killed myself. I can't. Like how? We're like almost done. Wow. Okay, I'm done packing for tonight. I'm so tired. I don't even look that tired. I think that's because I took such a long, lengthy nap, which was needed. So I'm gonna finish packing in the morning and I'll do like a little get ready with me for the travel day. And then, yeah, because there's everything else like I can't pack until like I'm leaving. So, but I got like everything into that bag. It's really not that much stuff. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I slept in a little more than I was thinking I was going to, but it's fine. All I have to do is make my bed and pack the last few things. And I want to do a little yoga because I'm like achy as hell. So yeah, let's do it. Fit check.